Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today we will learn about the direct exchange. It is one of the exchange type. Let's understand it with the help of this diagram. So why it is called as direct exchange? Direct exchange is the type of exchange where a message sent by the producer is directly sent to the queue, to one of the queue. But how and how it is done? Whenever producer sends a message to the exchange has to know that which queue it has to route, right? So for this reason, every queue, each queue is associated with a key that is called binding key. Let's take this example. We have three queues: electronics, garments, and food. Please don't confuse with the names. The name of the queue is electronics with capital E, and the binding key for this is small e. Okay, same as for garments and food. Okay, so whenever producer wants to send a message to this queue, suppose this producer wants to send the message to the first queue, so it will tell the exchange that I have to send this message to this queue. Please take my routing key as electronics. So producer will send the routing key to the direct exchange. Now direct exchange will come to know the routing key is electronics. Since electronics is associated with this queue, then the message will be routed to this queue. Okay, so this is one part. This is the producing part, and now the producer has sent the message to the queue. Now it is done. Now comes the part of the consumer. Consumer only, like I told you earlier, consumer only bothers about the queues. He doesn't know anything about the exchange or producers or anything, right? So suppose we have consumers, three consumers over here: app 1, app 2, app 3, and app 4. So suppose app 2 wants to consume from Q1, so it will be directly associated with the electronic queue. So whichever consumer wants to retrieve any message from any queue, it will tell that from this particular queue I want the message, and it will be retrieved. Okay, so this is a theory part. Let's start with a hands-on.